Hey everyone, I've got some sweet Kelly dolls to show you today. These are the 2003 Kelly line. I've got 3 dolls. The one over here is a 2003 Sweetsville Soda Shop Kelly. Item number B5737. She's dressed in 2003 Easter Tweets Sweetsville Kelly chicken costume. Item number B1800. In the middle is a pretty little redhead Kelly. She is 2003 Holiday Cheer Kerstie doll, item B1346. And then on the far right is 2003 Barbie as Rapunzel Angel Princess Melody Fairytale Collection, item number C0919. Okay, this first little Kelly, you can see that she's taller than the other 2 Kellys. This is a doll that started an alternate mold. The dolls are actually taller. Their heads are more oval shape, very actually oval shape, and known as lemon head Kelly dolls. There were not a lot of them made. They didn't go over very well with the market, and so Kelly dolls returned to their original size, but had a different head shape mold than the original Kellys. A little more oval shape, but not as oval as these lemon head dolls. So this is a really pretty Kelly. Her eyes are blue. She's got a large white dot and a small white dot, as well as a little slash in her iris. She has an open mouth with pastel pink lips and white teeth. She's wearing this cute little furry chicken costume. The back of it has like a little hoodie, but it doesn't go all the way around. It just covers the head if you want to dress her to look more like a chicken. I don't really actually like this doll with the hoodie portion up, so I keep it down on her when I display her. The costume is very furry, pink, and then she's got little wings on each side, little chicken wings that are like a brushed velvet feel, both on the top and underneath. The legs, this is all a one-piece costume. The legs are like a bit of a thick tricot orange, covering up her feet. Kelly's hair is in the original style. It's pretty Kanekalon hair, fluffy, parted down the middle. You can see the fluffiness of her hair. That is one of the things that I like about these dolls. I originally didn't like them when I saw them, but I came across one of these in a Kelly collection I bought, and she grew on me, and I decided to hold on to her. So I actually really like this Kelly doll. Then we have this little redhead Kelly. She is another one of my favorite dolls. She's a Christmas type doll. I love the way her hair is parted here to the side and pulled back on the front in just both these sections. Then it's pulled back, and I don't think her hair had a band in the back, but it was so thick and a little unruly that I just decided to put it in a little pony here. I love the color of her hair. It's definitely a redhead color. She's got olive green eyes with a little lighter, maybe a ivory over here on this side. One white dot. Her lips are rose red, open mouth showing white teeth. The dress is beautiful. She's got a velvety feel white collar. The bodice of the dress is a forest green, satiny look with these little ribbon details here sewn on that look like flowers that are scattered across in an arch on her bodice. Her sleeves are a sheer dark green poofy style. You can see her arm through them. Then she's got this shiny gold banding at the base of the sleeves. You can see this as a doll that came as an ornament, that you could hang this doll on your tree if you wanted to. The skirt is gorgeous. It's a thick velvety fabric in the same dark forest green as the bodice, and then it's detailed with lace around the bottom of the dress. This is original to this Kelly doll, as well as her shoes are original. Mary Jane's, black, with a strap and little bows. What a pretty little doll she is. Another one of my favorite Kellys. Fastens with Velcro in the back. Has a pink Barbie tag. No panty panel. Then we've got another really pretty doll here. This is 2003 Barbie as Rapunzel Angel Princess Melody from the Fairytale collection. Her item number was C0919. She's got this beautiful dark red auburn hair. It's gathered at a small pony at the top. I think that's the original band. Her hair is long, kind of wavy here. Goes down to about her knees. Her face is very pretty. She's got brown eyes with one white dot and a little gray fleck on this side. Her dress is off the shoulder. It's got iridescent tulle glittery ruffle down across the front here and a tiny purple bow at the top shoulder. The dress is a satiny polyester. She's got little angel wings attached that are kind of like a really sheer felt with glittery white, I don't want to say glue, but it's something that Mattel adhered to these wings to make it to where they could actually draw lines or make lines. Maybe they glued and then sprinkled the glue and it dried. Very pretty style. Around her waist is a silver and white twisted cord belt tied at the ends. Then she's got this sheer petal type structure overskirt. It's a part of this iridescent tulle fabric with little glitter spots all over. Oh, that little girl fell. Okay. If she doesn't stay out. Okay, there she goes. And this skirt is the same satiny polyester as the top bodice. She's got two more tiny purple ribbons as detailing on the overskirt here. Very cute little outfit. Her shoes are Kelly clone, Mary Jane rubbery, bows on the front. Not original to this doll. Here we've got a Kelly doll accessory. This belongs to two different dolls. 2003 Kelly Club Spring Liana Seasons doll. Item number, oh, I don't have an item number for that one, but this also belongs to 1998 Gardening Fun Melody, and that item number is 22206. I couldn't find a number on the first one. It's a little watering can. There's no actual holes in the spout. It's got an embossed flower on the front as well as the back, and a little handle for Kelly to hold the watering can. It is hollow, so you could put water in here, but if you tried to pour it, it would not pour out the spout. It's solid plastic. There are no markings. Then we have 2003 Cute as a Bunny Melody, item number 55524. This is a cute little bunny outfit done with a plushy type soft print. It's got polka dots and blues, greens, and yellows. Her little belly, there's a blue and white gingham check, and then trimmed in a blue ribbon. The hands are covered, the feet are covered. It's got this huge palm bunny tail on the back. It fastens with Velcro, and there's a pink Barbie tag in this cute little outfit. Next, we've got 2003 Dream Club Kelly in this cute little Princess Kelly dress. Item number B0296. It's got a sheer, tall fabric to go around the doll's neck as her straps with a velvet or a Velcro closure here. The body of the dress is a aqua, very light pastel green, satiny fabric. The bodice has tiny yellow polka dots sprinkled across it, as well as a bit of shiny gold glitter. Doesn't really come off when you touch it. It has stayed on pretty well over time. Gold stitching, and then this huge applied bow here with gold stitching. The base of the dress also has the same yellow toe with glittery detailing, or iridescent, looks like glitter detailing. Fastens with Velcro in the back and has a pink Barbie tag. Then we have another pretty dress. This dress belongs to 2003 Kelly Valentine Darlings doll, item number B6471. It's a satiny polyester as well. It's got thin pink ribbon straps in a pastel with an applied bow in the same fabric here. The top, the bodice is plain. The overskirt has glittery hearts and polka dots applied, kind of, it looks like with some type of glue, but it's not sticky. It adheres very well. It's got an opening like two large petals on the skirt. When you look underneath, it's got this very sheer white, is it 2 layers or 1 layer? It looks like that's 1 layer with glittery detailing. And then underneath that is a pastel pink tricot skirt. So this is a 3-layer skirt, very pretty. The detail on the overskirts goes around to the back. The overskirt all go around to the back, and then is sewn here. It's got a Velcro closure and a pink Barbie tag. Another pretty little holiday dress for Kelly to wear. Then last I have the 2003 Dream Club Kelly and Friends Princess Chelsie dress. Item number B0289. Sorry about that. This is one of the dolls in the line, as well as this one in the Dream Club Kelly princess dresses and dolls. These two were worn by dolls that were similar in this line. This dress has the same tulle fabric this one had, as an off-the-shoulder type look with a gold corded ribbon tied into a bow at the neck. This fabric is a more stiff, lined fabric than this one that I showed you first. The fabric in the skirt is also a bit stiff, but not as lined as the bodice. It's got a lot of little swirls here with glittery detailing on the skirt, gold stitching, and a sheer little pink detail here at the base. It's a kind of accordion style. Also has a Velcro closure and a pink Barbie tag. So those are the pretty Kelly dolls, accessories, and little costumes and dresses that I have in my collection from the 2003 Kelly line. I want to thank you for watching. I will have more videos. I've got a few more Kelly dolls that I want to show you for follow-on years. So please come back and check those out. If you liked my video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share if you know of anyone else that may like these videos as well. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.